This is a short video on how to make a video with PowerPoint. Okay, what I've done is I've put some animations in, just quick ones. I'm now going to record. I go to record slideshow, start recording from beginning. I'm going to make sure I've got narrations, ink and laser pointer switched on, as well as slide and animation settings. This should record the voice you're hearing now. Start recording. This is a short video. This is a short video. I can count all the way up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm very clever. I can also say A, B, C, the end. Now you'll notice down in the bottom corner is a little speaker system. If I play that quickly. This is a short video. You notice it's recorded everything I've said. If I now run this. This is a short video. This is a short video. Etc. etc. One thing I've noticed when you're doing this, it's best to not talk right to the very end of the slide before you make a transition. Have a quick gap. And that's because if you convert this now to a video, it somehow cuts out the last half a second of your voice every time it goes from slide to slide. So have a reasonable gap as you go from slide to slide. Right. I now simply go File, Save As. I'm going to go this PC. Down at the bottom here, I don't want a PowerPoint presentation. I want this to be an MPEG-4 video. That's the kind, actually either of these two will do. MPEG-4 videos, YouTube will quite happily take. I hit save. You can see down at the bottom, it's now going through the process of turning this into an MPEG-4 video. It's that simple. Okay.